Hey, it's Jenny here. Holiday season is near. If you consider adding gift card as an extra upsell strategy, this video is for you. If you haven't known, gift card is the most consumed gift during holiday season, and the retail industries beneficial from it the most are clothing, toys, and electronics. It's also a smart promotion strategy for after holiday sales, since people received gift cards tend to use them after the holiday. There are two ways to create gift cards in checkout using our Checkout Customizer. You can either use product offers or custom fields extension. With product offers, the gift card options will be shown like this in checkout. Now, we'll use the second method to create these gift card options. First, let's create a new gift card product in Shopify. You also need to take notes that you need to create different products for different gift card variants, since the product add-on of custom fields won't be able to show the product variant. After finishing on the products, go to Qikify Checkout Customizer to create custom fields options. To add gift cards as additional charges options, use the add-on product in custom fields. Remember, you need to select products in order so it can display correctly. Once done, you can customize the position of the extension in Shopify Checkout Extensibility Editor. On the storefront, your customer will be able to select or switch amongst gift card options easily with the Custom Fields function. So that's how you can use Checkout Customizer to add gift card to boost your holiday sales. Craft your own Shopify checkout with Qikify Checkout Customizer.